Hey everyone, Mr. Boost here. I just hit 200,000 miles on my 2011 Camry, so I've decided to do an oil change. I was trying to get it to lock in on that drain bolt, but it still has a pretty good view. I'm using a universal socket. I like it. It's quick, easy. As long as it's not super tight, it's pretty efficient. The camera is kind of in the way, but I usually gauge the oil splash a lot better. So disappointed with myself when that happened. Oh my god, it just went everywhere. Well, it's supposed to, not get my hand all messed up, but you know what? It's just how the way it goes. I like it, just nice and hot oil just going straight to my finger. Now that most of it is drained out, I'm gonna go on to the oil filter. So this Camry uses a cartridge-based oil filter, and it has one of those really nice drain valves, so there's less oil to go around. But unfortunately, for some reason, it's not allowing me to let it click into place, so it just ends up going everywhere. With the camera angle and me trying to unscrew it, my hand gets in the way.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Just gonna clean up the inside of the cartridge with some brake cleaner. Replaced the O-ring on the drain cap as well as the cartridge. This is my second round of Valvoline Restore and Protect on the vehicle. I'm switching over from Mobile 1, so I waited about 300 miles before doing another flush. I was talking to Midwest F-150 about switching over as well, and he was getting really good results on his Nissan Sentra and his F-150, so I decided to switch over since I have a high mileage vehicle and I'd like to keep the internals as clean as possible to maintain longevity. It is not a TRD Camry. My brother bought a cap for it and it feels really nice and sturdy. As you can see the spill when I am removing the... It's not a pretty sight. I do end up cleaning it up after I finish evaluating the vehicle's oil level. Honestly, it's right there. I'm happy with that. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you like this kind of content, as I will be doing more.